Welcome to the YouTube maze, why SEO matters. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos, it's a competitive landscape. Millions of videos fight for attention. Visibility is key. That's where SEO comes in. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's about making your videos easy to find. Think of it as putting your video in the right store aisle. The right keywords, tags, and descriptions matter. Without SEO, your content gets lost in the sea of videos. SEO helps your target audience discover your videos. It drives organic traffic, meaning viewers find you naturally. This leads to more views, subscribers, and engagement. But remember, SEO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. The YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. We're an educational channel, but we are not responsible for any results. In a more passionate and playful manner, we try to bring you the best information. What is good today might not be good tomorrow. Help us help you. Now let's talk about the algorithm, a moving target. The YouTube algorithm is complex. It determines which videos get seen. Factors include watch time, engagement, and relevance. YouTube constantly updates its algorithm. This keeps creators on their toes. What worked yesterday might not work today. Staying updated is a challenge, even for seasoned YouTubers. These updates aim to improve user experience. They prioritize high-quality, engaging content. Understanding these changes is vital for SEO success. Ignoring them can lead to decreased visibility. Keeping up with the algorithm is a full-time job. It requires constant research and adaptation. Moving on to the expertise gap. Knowledge is power. Effective YouTube SEO demands more than basic knowledge. It requires a deep understanding of the platform. From keyword research to analytics, it's multifaceted. You need to analyze data, track trends, and optimize constantly. This takes time, effort, and a sharp learning curve. Many creators lack the time or expertise for this. They're busy creating content, managing their channels. Learning SEO from scratch can be overwhelming. It's a specialized skill set that takes time to develop. This is where professional SEO experts come in. Lastly, let's explore the DIY danger zone risks and rewards. DIY SEO can seem tempting. It promises to save money, but it comes with significant risks. Incorrect keyword targeting can bury your videos. Poor optimization can lead to low rankings and visibility. Mistakes can be costly, impacting your channel's growth. Time spent on ineffective SEO is time wasted, time you could spend creating great content. The wrong SEO strategies can even get you penalized by YouTube. This can lead to decreased reach and visibility. It's crucial to weigh the risks and rewards carefully. Section 5. The Expert Advantage. Why you need a pro. Professional SEO experts live and breathe YouTube. They understand the algorithm's nuances. They have proven strategies to boost your rankings. They conduct in-depth keyword research to target the right audience. They optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Experts track your channel's performance and make data-driven adjustments. They keep you updated on algorithm changes. This proactive approach keeps your channel ahead of the curve. Hiring an expert frees you to focus on your passion, creating content. Section 6. Case Study. When DIY goes wrong. A gaming channel spent months trying DIY SEO. They used generic keywords and saw minimal results. Their videos got lost in a sea of similar content. Frustration grew, and their channel stagnated. They realized their efforts were misdirected. They finally consulted an SEO expert. The expert identified their target audience, optimized their keywords. They revamped their titles and descriptions. Within weeks, they saw a significant increase in views and subscribers. This highlighted the importance of professional SEO. Section 7. Case Study Expert SEO in Action. A beauty vlogger hired an SEO expert to boost her channel. The expert analyzed her content and target audience. They implemented a tailored SEO strategy. This included keyword optimization and channel branding. They tracked performance metrics and adjusted the strategy accordingly. The results were impressive. Her channel saw a surge in organic traffic. Her videos consistently ranked higher in search results. Her subscriber count grew exponentially. This success story showcased the power of expert SEO in action. Section 8. The bottom line. Invest in your success. YouTube SEO is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Trying to navigate it alone can be risky and ineffective. Investing in a professional SEO expert is investing in your channel's success. They provide the knowledge, experience, and strategies to take your channel to the next level. Don't let your content get lost in the algorithm. Partner with an expert and unlock your channel's true potential. The right SEO strategy can be the difference between obscurity and YouTube stardom. Section 9 about Neil Patel Digital. Neil Patel Digital is a leading digital marketing agency. We specialize in SEO, content marketing, and social media. Our team of experts helps businesses grow online. We have a proven track record of success. Contact us today for a free consultation. Section 10, top YouTube SEO tips. As we wrap up, let's dive into some actionable tips for optimizing your YouTube videos for search engines. First, focus on keyword research. Just like traditional SEO, understanding what your audience is searching for is crucial. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Second, optimize your video title. Your title should be compelling and include your primary keyword. Aim for a balance between click-worthy and keyword-rich. Third, don't neglect your video description. Write a detailed and informative description that includes your keywords naturally. This helps YouTube understand the content of your video and improves your chances of ranking. Fourth, make use of tags. Tags help YouTube understand the context of your video. Include a mix of broad and specific tags related to your content. Fifth, create engaging thumbnails. A good thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your video's content. Sixth, encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Higher engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. Lastly, analyze and adapt. Use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Understand what's working and make adjustments as needed. By implementing these tips, you can greatly improve your YouTube SEO and boost your channel's visibility. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need professional help with your digital marketing, don't hesitate to reach out to Neil Patel Digital. We're here to help you succeed. Pause 3S. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video. Welcome to our final chapter, Advanced YouTube SEO Strategies. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into some more advanced techniques to give your channel a competitive edge. First, leverage the power of closed captions. By adding accurate captions to your videos, you not only make your content accessible to a wider audience, but also provide additional text for YouTube's algorithms to crawl, improving your video's SEO. Second, consider the importance of video length. While shorter videos might be more digestible, longer videos often perform better in terms of watch time, which is a crucial ranking factor. Aim for a balance that retains viewer engagement while maximizing watch time. Third, utilize end screens and cards. These features encourage viewers to watch more of your content, increasing session duration on your channel. Link to related videos, playlists, or even your website to keep viewers engaged. Fourth, build a strong subscriber base. The number of subscribers you gain directly after publishing a video can significantly impact your video's ranking. Encourage viewers to subscribe and turn on notifications so they don't miss your new content. Fifth, engage with your community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community around your channel. Higher engagement rates signal to YouTube that your content is valuable and worth promoting. Sixth, collaborate with other creators. By partnering with other YouTubers, you can tap into their audience and gain more exposure. Collaborations can also lead to valuable backlinks and increased authority for your channel. Finally, keep an eye on your competition. Analyze the top-performing videos in your niche. What keywords are they targeting? What formats and styles are they using? Learn from their successes and incorporate those strategies into your own content. By implementing these advanced strategies, you can further enhance your YouTube SEO and drive more traffic to your channel. Remember, the digital landscape is always evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to new trends. Thank you once again for watching. If you need expert guidance on your YouTube SEO or any other digital marketing services, Neil Patel Digital is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep creating and optimizing. Welcome to our bonus chapter, Future Trends in YouTube SEO. As we dive deeper into the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate future trends that could shape the way we optimize our content. First, let's talk about AI and machine learning. YouTube's algorithms are becoming increasingly sophisticated, utilizing AI to better understand and rank content. This means that creating high-quality, relevant, and engaging videos is more important than ever. Focus on producing content that resonates with your audience, as AI will continue to prioritize viewer satisfaction. Second, consider the rise of voice search. With the growing popularity of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing your videos for voice search is becoming essential. Use natural language and conversational keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to ensure your content is easily discoverable through voice queries. Third, embrace the power of interactive content. Features like polls, quizzes, and interactive annotations can significantly boost viewer engagement. By incorporating these elements into your videos, you can create a more immersive and interactive experience that keeps viewers coming back for more. Fourth, leverage the potential of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. As AR and VR technologies become more accessible, incorporating these elements into your videos can set you apart from the competition. Whether it's through 360-degree videos or AR filters, these technologies offer unique ways to engage with your audience and provide a more dynamic viewing experience. Fifth, prioritize mobile optimization. With a significant portion of YouTube's traffic coming from mobile devices, ensuring that your content is mobile-friendly is crucial. Pay attention to aspects like thumbnail design, video length, and load times to provide the best possible experience for mobile viewers. Sixth, focus on building a strong community. As social media platforms continue to evolve, fostering a sense of community around your channel will become increasingly important. Encourage viewer interaction through comments, live streams, and community posts. Building a loyal and engaged audience will not only boost your video's performance, but also create a sustainable and thriving channel. Finally, stay adaptable and open to change. The digital landscape is constantly shifting, and the strategies that work today may not be as effective tomorrow. Keep an eye on industry trends, experiment with new techniques, and be willing to pivot your approach as needed. By staying informed and embracing these future trends, you can ensure that your YouTube SEO strategies remain effective and continue to drive growth for your channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through YouTube SEO. Remember, Neil Patel Digital is always here to support you with expert guidance and cutting-edge strategies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep innovating and optimizing. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on unlocking the secrets of YouTube SEO, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed and highlight the essential steps you need to take moving forward. YouTube SEO video optimization. First, remember the importance of staying updated with the latest SEO trends. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and keeping abreast of new developments can give you a significant edge. From AI and machine learning to voice search and interactive content, staying informed is crucial for effective YouTube SEO and video optimization. SEO tips, YouTube strategies. Second, never underestimate the power of high-quality, engaging content. YouTube's algorithms prioritize viewer satisfaction, so focus on creating videos that resonate with your audience. Use natural language and conversational keywords to optimize for voice search and make your content easily discoverable. These SEO tips are essential for YouTube strategies. Neil Patel, Digital Marketing. Third, leverage new technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. These can set your channel apart by offering unique, immersive experiences that captivate your viewers, enhancing your digital marketing efforts. YouTube growth, SEO expert. Fourth, prioritize mobile optimization. With a large portion of YouTube's traffic coming from mobile devices, ensure your videos are mobile-friendly. Pay attention to thumbnail design, video length, and load times to enhance the mobile viewing experience, which is crucial for YouTube growth. YouTube algorithm, video marketing. Fifth, build a strong community around your channel. Foster viewer interaction through comments, live streams, and community posts. A loyal and engaged audience not only boosts your video's performance, but also creates a sustainable and thriving channel. This is a key aspect of video marketing, YouTube SEO, video optimization. Finally, stay adaptable and open to change. The strategies that work today may not be as effective tomorrow. Keep an eye on industry trends, experiment with new techniques, and be willing to pivot your approach as needed. This adaptability is what makes an SEO expert successful. SEO tips, YouTube strategies. By following these steps and embracing future trends, you can ensure that your YouTube SEO strategies remain effective and continue to drive growth for your channel. Neil Patel, Digital Marketing. Thank you for joining us on this journey through mastering YouTube SEO. Remember, Neil Patel Digital is always here to support you with expert tips and strategies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep innovating and optimizing. YouTube growth, SEO expert, YouTube algorithm, video marketing. Here's a quick timeline of our journey. 0 o'clock, Introduction 104, Why SEO Matters 142, A moving target, 221. Knowledge is power, 3 o'clock. Risks and rewards, 334. Why you need a pro, 408. When DIY goes wrong, 442. Expert SEO in action, 516. Invest in your success, 548. About Neil Patel Digital, 608. Top YouTube SEO tips, 748. Advanced YouTube SEO strategies, 956. Future trends in YouTube SEO, 1242. Key takeaways and next steps. YouTube SEO video optimization.